How are you? Ganyan ako. Hello. Yeah, I see mas. Ha? Ano no? Tara na? Ano, tapos na kayo nakapagpalit? Halika na. Oo. Oo. Sige. Libre mo ako ha. Let's go. Lahat na.
Yes.
Hindi ka pa nag-sign dyan, Sek.
Sign dyan.
Yan, sign mo muna tayo. Okay, sir. What you buy in Dock Center? What are you buying to plant? Oh, yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate for the...
The first engineer. For me, all one.
I think you have some present to your Jenata.
No.
Okay.
For my mother.
For your mother. How old your mother?
Huh?
How old mother?
Yes.
Yeah.
60.
60.
60.
60. Okay. It's good. Parkplatz Police. Yeah. Let's say.
Only for this.
You buy this. Okay. We'll look. Maybe for...
This is the problem. This is the problem.
For the knee. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Yes, Georgie.
RJ and Asik, dalawa. Tawagin mo na nga, Asik.
Huh?
Okay. Asik, what time you pick up in Dock Center? How about the... What? 2 hours. Baby. Sek, mga anong oras tayo magpapabalik dito?
Ano oras na ngayon?
12:30.
Ha?
9?
9?
Oo, kasi
About, sir, it's 9? Is it?
9:30, okay?
But remember, the shopping mall closed at 9.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, 9.
9 o'clock. Okay. Maybe some colleague in the ship, about 7:30 it's possible to you come
Tawag
back
naman
to...
sila Yoshi.
Ha?
Tawag naman.
May telepono sila?
Kumuha sila.
Okay. Maybe the other guy is calling to you.
This person calling me?
Yeah. I think they know the number of the...
But you are sure this person is 7:30 out?
No, we're not sure. Maybe they will call later.
Okay. But
Kasi baka may operasyon sila Yoshi.
baka meron silang,
Oo, kaya
maybe
sila lumabas.
they thinking they have operation. But I think they have operation in
Kaya
this.
mo yan sila, wala kang pakialam sa iyo.
Hindi. Baka at least, baka magtapos sa atin. Yaan mo sila.
Hindi mayor sa kanila? Oo.
Ha?
Tayo mo lang sumbong ng mayor. Hindi mayor.
Sumbong ko kayo doon sa kanila, bro. Ma-promote ako, sige.
Promote Chips Liwag.
Oh. Okay, Germany, very nice place.
May bentahan na na mga susulis ng motor dito. Friend? Yes! Pakita ko kay Benny. Kuhaan mo si Benny. Alin? Yan, work mo. Iwan na mo, tawag na yan. Hindi mo pinay-pay. Iwan na mo.
Sek, bibili mo si Kapitan ng chocolate, di ba? Ay, go. Bahala ka dyan. Yeah, so, sumbong ko kayo. Okay?
May 200 meters, may 690.
Titingin din ako sa OB, malapit lang. Yun ang OB. Yung mga ano naman, mga ano naman do parang appliances, mga tools. Hansapex. Ito, multi. Ito na guys. Ayun ang OB, o ayan o, ay sinasabi ko, OB.
Wag na, ubigay.
Ay, OB.
Yan ang bintana mo, 2 years old? Bro, Luis?
Yan.
Uh,
Ah.
Motor. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, yung buy from here.
Oh, very nice.
Okay, you can give to me.
Ah,
I give you extra.
docs.
Ayaw, may tokyo.
Ayun na, ito na, doc.
Kantawan.
Oh, doc.
Oro, diyan kami nagkaano, roasted chicken niya so.
Yan.
Oh, diyan sarap yan.
Sa may gilid.
Sa
Ha?
labas abang nagwa-picture.
Ayan nga yung gilid oh. Libre mo ako kasi? Ay, salamat. Nalibre rin ako.
Dito nakita mo yun, parang wala ko yun na lang. What do you know? That's the CCTV.
Hey, 9 o'clock. Ay, what? They pick up, here, about them. Yeah. But then,
This mobile is 7:10.
7:10.
It's only 7.
Only 7 o'clock. 10. Okay, sir. Here, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
just send it to both.
Thank you, sir, very much, sir. And,
7:15. It's now 7:15.
yeah. Tara, sayang oras. Ano tayo? Ano? Punta tayo sa OB guy. May 1 euro ka dyan. Ay. 2 euro pa naman tong ano ko. Multi. Bibikuha tayo ng card. Wala tayong card. Ang ganun.
Bibili naman, mamili ba?
Card, hindi hinuhulog yung card. Kaya nga, hindi babalik din, ihulog mo lang to. Wag na, tara na. Eh, mahirapan tayo pag wala tayong card.
Basket. Ano ba yung card?
Ayan, hindi, may bayad.
Yan o, basket o.
Ito na lang. RJ, paano mo na lang ako? RJ, dalawa. Tag-isa tayo, ha? Please. Yay. Thank you. Oh. Ano,